lip. But yeah, I use most of these products today and I'm obsessed, and you can see I look very pretty. So if you want to look like a baddie on a budget, this should help you. For me to buy makeup, I need to see that you like this videos. So please subscribe and I will buy more makeup. Okay. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kiana, and if you want to help build a safe space and a channel where you can be yourself, express yourself, please subscribe and make my little subscriber community safe and fun. So yeah, please subscribe. Anyways, this video is going to be really helpful for my dusky, medium skin tone Indian, South Asian baddies, and yeah, I'm going to directly deep dive into all of my favorite products, and yeah, all of these are affordable. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So let's go into what we start with. That's foundation. I don't use primers. I don't have one product for every category. I mean, I kind of do, but yeah. So for foundation, the LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition Long Wear Illuminating Foundation in the shade Warm Beige. This is my shade. I'm a MAC NC42 for reference. I love this foundation. I'm wearing currently like a very thin layer of it, and I feel it lasts really well. I wore this all day for my birthday, and it had great wear, and I didn't even set my face besides the under eye because I have dry skin. I like that natural look. I don't like looking cakey, so I avoid that. The next is the PAC Spotlight Ready Concealer. This is in the shade Nutcracker. This is a bit lighter than my skin tone. It's a good highlight shade for my skin tone, but if you want more highlighting, go like a shade or two under, I guess. I love the yellow undertone. I like yellow undertone on my skin tone, then a peachy undertone, and this is great. It doesn't crease that much, it's not drying. I feel like this lasts a decent amount of time. The LA Girl concealers last longer, but this, I really like the applicator, and I'm out of this, so I'm not wearing this on my face currently. I'm wearing the LA Girl concealer, but I bought a new one. I'm going to start using it soon. For eyes, for eyeshadow, the Makeup Revolution London Foil Frenzy palette. I spoke about this in my 2020 favorites, but there'll be like a new audience on this video. So the middle shade is my favorite shade. And wait, it doesn't look that good on like my finger. It's like it's not, the camera's not doing it justice, but it's like such a gorgeous shade. It's like such a beautiful shade. But this is like only one of the shades, and then that I really like this champagne shade here. This one. It's light, but the camera's not doing it justice. But like you can see, it's really pigmented, and I layer these two. Like I'll put this eyeshadow and then I'll put this in the center, and it's like has this gorgeous effect. Then for eyeliners, I'm obsessed. This changed the eyeliner game. I can do my eyeliner way easier now. Only thing is be careful about putting the cap, because I don't know if you can tell. Anyways, this is the NYX Epic Ink Liner in the shade Black. I thought it had a specific black. It's really dark, and I really like it. It's blacker than Lakme liners, and it's super easy, so I love that. Next, let's go into bronzer. It's really hard to find bronzers that I like dark enough to show up on medium skin tone. This one is the darkest, I think. Unfortunately, this is 02 Warm by Makeup Revolution, and this lasts like so long. This lasts so long. It's so creamy. I really like it. I like warm orangey bronzers. I'm wearing it right now. So if you like a cooler one that's like a contour shade, maybe try something else. But if you like proper warm bronzer, then go for this. Next is a new find. I just bought this on the Nykaa sale, but I wore it recently and I'm obsessed, and I see myself getting good use out of it, so I might as well include it in this video. This is the Flower Beauty blush balm in the shade Melon. Wait, this is the color. But yeah, I got this for 400. The original price is 800, which is a steal in my books. It's a beautiful peachy color. It shows up really well on my skin tone and you can build it up, which I like. I don't like super pigmented blushes otherwise. Yeah, and this is like, I'm wearing that right now, and over there I'm wearing Makeup Revolution blush in the shade Cherry Bomb. This is super pigmented. And I love this. I've been raving about this and no one talks about this, but it's a matte blush which I really like. Matte blush. I don't like shimmering blushes that much. The next is highlighter, the Maybelline. I've broken this. I wear this every time. I have good enough of high-end highlighters, but I always reach out to this. The formula is like butter. Like if you're medium, like this is an essential. Medium to deep skin, this looks like your skin but better. It's not chalky. I hate chalky highlighters. Like it looks so bad. It makes your texture really bad. But this does not emphasize texture at all, which I love. Next is lip product. For lips, I've struggled to find lipsticks that actually look good. But first let's go on lip liners. This is the Wet n Wild lip liner in Chestnut. Wearing it right now on my lips. This is the only lip liner I use. I have the brandy wine shade. That's cooler. If you like cooler lip liners, then go for that. It's definitely not wine. I don't know what wine Wet n Wild is drinking, but it's not wine. Don't know whether I would say the lasting power is great, but I love the color, so I don't really care. It's a really good liner. For its price, like $135, no complaints at all. Next is a new favorite which my friend gave me. This is the NYX Lip Lingerie in Exotic, and this is like the prettiest shade of pink. Wearing it on my lips today. What I love about this is it is matte, like super matte, but it doesn't dry my lips. It lasts really well, and it like fills in the lines of your lips, so it gives that full lip effect. So if you want to look like you have some lip fillers, I feel like if you overline and put this, it's like heavenly. So I really like this. The lasting power is great. This shade is my favorite. I don't have other shades, so I don't know, but I really love this shade. Next is my favorite nude lipstick. If I'm wearing a bold eye makeup look, 99.9% of the time I'm wearing this lipstick, but this is the nude lipstick. It's so pretty, especially with the lip liner. This lip liner goes with all of my lipsticks no matter what, because otherwise I feel lipsticks look ashy on my skin tone. But I really like a warm undertone nude, and this Makeup Revolution lipstick in the shade matte lipstick in the shade Muse is like the best ever. And I think the packaging is really cute. The lipstick is exactly this color. Like look, so you get what you pay for. And last but definitely not the least, my baby, because like Y2K is back. I've been obsessed with glosses, so I'm wearing this gloss right now. This is the Sephora glossed gloss. Obsessed with the packaging, like obsessed. But I'm wearing it right now. It's so juicy, like look at that. I'm wearing this combo, this lip liner, NYX Lip Lingerie. Like this is in the shade Glossy Boss, would have been better, but Boss is fine, you know. Girl Boss, but it's such a pretty gloss. Like I'm obsessed. So yeah, I didn't want to deep dive into these products so much also because the video gets boring, and I personally like fast-paced video. But yeah, I use most of these products today and I'm obsessed, and you can see I look very pretty. So if you want to look like a baddie on a budget, this should help you. And yeah, I hope you like this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, because my hand is like this so that your face can look like this. Anyways, I hope you like this video. Bye, see you in the next one. And let me know if I should do more such videos, but I need to buy makeup for that. For me to buy makeup, I need to see that you like these videos. So please subscribe and I will buy more makeup. Okay, bye.